Bastos ka. Teka, hanap ako ng picture.
Meron ako doon. Edmer, ano ka ba? Katawitan. Dito ka, oh.
Picture ako sila.
Edmer! Hindi ka na makakalimutan. Sige.
Hindi ako baby, dapat na mataas.
Ano ba hindi aabot na kapag ano yung medyo nagkaka tayo eh. Diyan, hindi pwede.
Oh, focus lang ha, focus lang ha.
Wala pa ako dyan. Ikaw, doon ako sa tabi.
Smile, galaw-galaw.
Ano, kinikilig? Teka, sulat ka. Anak ni Kurita, walang tigil.
Kasi iba.
Isa pa. Napakatino.
Huwag mo muna tignan na!
Picture naman sila kuya. Dito ka.
Center na?
Ba't ka dyan na nakapokus yan? 1, 2, 3. 4. Galing ha.
Bakit nakatakpan kayo?
Nakatakpan ka. Yan. Smart na smart na lang. Kuya.
Picture naman sila.
Hindi, meron pa isa rin.
Hoy!
Pindot, papindot.
Edmer, tingin! 1, 2, 3. Tingin! Papa! Isa lang ha, isa pa. Ayoko na. Teka lang. Ayoko na. 1, 2, 3. Pa. Ayoko pa. Sunod na. Modernata pa. Magbabait naman. Sandali ah, sandali. Oo, kasi green. Tapos
Tayo magkahiwa-hiwalay. Mahalagang-mahalaga po ito. Salamat po.
ay, oo, nasaan na?
Len, sabi ni Kaya.
Sino ka, si Karin?
Oo, si Karil. Great.
Yung anak ni Shasha? Sino?
Oo.
Bakit kaya yun?
Punyeta ka.
Hi!
Ayo, kamukha mo.
Bicho! Nakakahiya!
Hindi, sabi ko lang yun. Kasi magkapatid sila sa soap eh.
Huwag kang ganyan.
So, tatapusin natin yan sa ganyan. Nanawagan po kami.
Hindi, sige magsalita tayo.
Pwede 6 minutes sa akin.
Ay, lobat, lobat, lobat.
Ano ba? 6 minutes sa akin
Okay,
pwede?
tapos ka na ako naman. 1 minute na ako. Okay. Nananawagan ako, pumili po kayo. 25 to 32 years old po ang kailangan ko. May similya. Okay, go naman.
Love you.
Love you, baby. Love you, baby.
Love you. Love you.
Nawagan ka na.
Nahiya po ako. Make it closer. Wala akong magsabi. Single again ah.
Wala nga.
Okay,
Rose. Rose. Single again. And see you daw sa 2015 o 50?
Ay, anak.
Uy, buhay pa ba tayo?
Kaya nga, diba? May question mark, diba? Sabi ko.
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends, we'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here, tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears, and not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends, we'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends, we'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you, my friend.